तो हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप लोग। उम्मीद करता हूँ अच्छे ही होंगे। तो बिना किसी देरी के चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज के इस लेक्चर को। आज के इस लेक्चर में हम और थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम देखेंगे एवरेजेस के ऊपर। ओके, सो एवरेज वेट ऑफ अ क्लास ऑफ 50 स्टूडेंट्स was 50 kgs. Okay, so student, what you need to do first collect the data. As soon as you read this first line, which is saying that average weight of a class of 50 students was 50 kgs. Okay, so can you tell me now, if average weight of class of 50 students is 50 kgs, what is the total weight of the class? If average weight of a class of 50 students is 50 kg, so what is the total weight? That means sum of all the weight of all 50 students, what it is? 2500. So this thing we have done. First we have to find the data. Okay, now it is saying when one student left, average of the remaining members reduced by 100 grams. Find the weight of the student who left. Okay, so let's do this problem. So what they are asking us? Okay, so they are saying that average of 50 student is 15 kg. Okay, that means sum of all the 50 student, their weight is 2500. We have calculated. So their sum of all these 2500 kgs. Correct. Now they are saying that when one student left, average of the remaining members reduced by 100 grams. Okay, so see, when one student left, that means now there are 49 students, and they are saying that 100 gram reduced, but this is in kgs. Okay, so we have to convert this 100 grams into kgs. So 100 divided by this 1000. Okay, so 1 kg means 1000 grams. So if we divide with this 1000, so it will be our 0.1. Okay, so 15 minus 0.1 is nothing but 49.9 kgs. This is what the sum of 49 student weight. This is sum of 50 student weight. Okay, so what is it now? Total weight of all the 49 students. So 49 into 49.9, that means 49 into 49.9. But I want to simplify this calculation. So what I will do, I will make this 15 minus 0.1. Now this becomes much simpler. Okay, so what we will do now, multiply this 15 into 49. Okay, to make it more simpler, just check 15 into 50. Sorry, 50 into 50 is 2500. Reduce one more 50, that means 49. Okay, so if we reduce 2500 minus our one more 50, it will become 2450. Correct. So 2450, this is 2450 minus 49 into 0.1 is 4.9. Correct. Now this become our 445.1. Okay, so they are saying that find the weight of the student who left. When the student was in this group, it was 2500 kg. When he left, 2445.1. So simple, weight of student who left is 2500 minus 2405.1. Okay, so this 2405.1, that means we have to take this 4.9 and then 50, remaining 50. Okay, if we add this 4.9, it will become 2450 and remaining is 50 more. So this 15 plus 4.9 is our 54.9. So this is the answer. But student, I want to solve this question without touching the pen, without doing this all this drama of multiplication, subtraction, addition. Just ऐसे 5 से 10 सेकंड में मुझे ऐसा करना है वो. Let's see if we can do this by our previous technique we have seen in the previous video, right? Let's see if we can do that. Okay, so let's check. Correct. So they are saying that average weight of a class of 50 student was 15 kg. So can I assume, look at me student, can I assume that each student is having 15 kg weight? If the average of all the student is 15 kg, can I assume that each student is having 15 kg weight? I can assume that. Okay, so let's assume that the student who left is his average is his weight is 15 kg. When that student left, average reduced by 100 grams. Correct? On how many students? Average reduced by 100 grams on how many people? 49. Okay. So what I want to say that, assuming that the student who left, his weight also 15 kg. Initially we are assuming that, but in the problem it is saying that when the student is leaving that group, look at me, when that student leaving that group, the average is decreasing. If you have seen my previous video, I have told you the concept. If the average, if the people who are living or we are adding, if it is more than that, okay, if it is more than the average, it will decrease our total average if we are removing. So in this case 100 grams are reducing. Okay, so tell me now, this is 15 plus or 15 minus? That means it is less than the average or more than the average? Definitely it will be the more than the average, because 100 grams are reducing, मतलब उसका कुछ तो योगदान है कि इससे वजह से अपना इतना बड़ा एवरेज हो रहा है. अगर वो बड़ा वैल्यू अपन निकाल रहे, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज डिक्रीजिंग ना. अगर हम 5 स्टूडेंट है बराबर, और हमारे सबके पास कितने अपने 10 चॉकलेट्स का एवरेज है. ओके, और उनमें से सिर्फ मेरे पास 20 चॉकलेट है बराबर, और मैं उन ग्रुप में से निकलना चाहता हूँ, और अभी उनका एवरेज डिक्रीज होगा कि नहीं? बराबर, क्योंकि अपना चॉकलेट का एवरेज तो 10 था बराबर, और मेरे पास जितने चॉकलेट थे वो 20 थे, मतलब मोर देन द एवरेज. If I am leaving that group, so definitely the average will decrease over the remaining 4 people. So similarly, if that student, assume that left student is me only. Okay, I am leaving that group, then 100 grams are reducing over how many people? 49 people, because I have already left. Okay, so that means, so 15 plus 0.1, it is reducing how many people? Or 49. So this is our answer. See the students, in this type of problem, whether it is leaving or we are adding or just we are comparing, if we like in the previous lecture we have seen that we are replacing. Okay, we were replacing more weight or we were replacing the less weight. Just we have to consider initially that whatever we are replacing or whatever we are removing, it is the same as per the average. First thing we have to do this. Second thing we have to do this, just observe, see that screen, how much it is reducing over the total average, how much it is increasing over total average. We have to check this condition, and how many people there are remaining. If it is reducing, then do addition. If it is increasing, then do subtraction. What I am saying, अगर मेरे जाने की वजह से अगर एवरेज रिड्यूस हो रहा है, तो मेरा जो वेट रहेगा ना वो डेफिनेटली एवरेज से बड़ा है, बराबर. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम एडिंग दिस 15 प्लस. अगर मैं जाने के बाद अगर एवरेज इंक्रीज हो रहा है, बराबर, या फिर कोई तो और स्टूडेंट डालने की वजह से अगर एवरेज बढ़ रहा है, तो डेफिनेटली वो एवरेज से बड़ा है. अज्यूमिंग दैट 15 स्टूडेंट्स है, अभी मेरे को और एक स्टूडेंट डालना है उसके अंदर, और 51 स्टूडेंट रहेंगे, और उसका एवरेज 100 ग्राम से इंक्रीज हुआ. ओके, अपना क्वेश्चन क्या है? सीधा अपना नया क्वेश्चन ये है कि 15 स्टूडेंट तो इनिशियली थे, बराबर, उनका एवरेज भी 15 था. नाउ आई एम सेइंग दैट मैंने एक स्टूडेंट ऐड किया है, एडेड टू दैट ग्रुप, और उसकी वजह से कितना बढ़ा है? लेट्स से how much, let's say 4 kg it is increased. No, it is not. Let's say 1 kg it is increased. Sorry, 100 gram it is increased. मतलब initial से 15 plus on how many people? So 0.1 into 100. Okay, we have assumed that the student is adding in that our new group, his weight is also 15. Okay, and how much it is increasing? 0.1. Okay, because it is increasing, we are assuming that we know that we have to add, that means he is definitely more than the average. Okay, so 0.1 or how many people? Over 51 people, because he is in the group now. So his weight will be 55.1 kg. I think you have understood the concept. I will repeat. We have to first consider all the student is having same weight, all the student is having same age, all the student is having same age as per the given average. Then we have to consider how much the average decreasing after leaving the group, how much the weight is decreasing after leaving the group, how much score is decreasing after leaving the group. Then that decrease, whatever the percentage, we have to multiply it with number of people, and then we have to add it with that assumed value. In this case we have assumed as 15. See the screen, 15 plus 0.1 is decrease value, and we have multiplied with over 49 members of the remaining students. Okay, so this is how we got 54.9. So let's see another example. So just give a try to solve this problem. Okay, student, just give your try, solve this problem and see if you can solve. Definitely you will be able to solve with a very normal approach. Everyone can solve this. I assume you have solved this problem. Now I will solve it. Okay, so what is saying that there is a cricket team of 11 members. Okay, चलो आपको मैं बताता हूँ कि कैसे करना है, फॉर्मेशन कैसे है, स्टार्ट कैसे करते हैं. So as soon as you read some data, you have to write down it. So there is a team of 11 members. Okay, 11 members. The captain was 26-year-old. चलो एक का डाटा तो अपने को मिल गया, 26-year-old. And the wicket keeper 3 years older. Okay, मतलब विकेट कीपर जो है वो कैप्टन से 3 years older है, मतलब 26 plus 3 9. See my face, 26 plus 3 9. Okay, so that means it is 29. Let's see remaining 9 people age. When they both were removed. Okay, so when they both were removed, मतलब अब 11 में से कितना रहेगा, 9. So when they both were removed, 9. Okay, average of the remaining members reduced by 1 year. Oh, so average of the, if we consider x is an average of the, initially it was x is the average, now it is reduced by 1 year. Okay, so that means we have been given 2 people's age, captain and wicket keeper. We do not know the summation of all the remaining 9, and they are saying after leaving the group, the summation of 9 divided by the 9 people, their average reduced by 1. Okay, so what we can do, so these are the 2 equations we have formed. Okay, so this is our equation 1. This is equation 2. Okay, now we will compare it, because here it is also x and here it is x minus 1. If we take this minus 1 to that side, it will become plus 1. So what I want to say, that summation of 9 divided by 9, it will become plus 1, and now it is equal to this. Okay, it is equal to this. This is a very simple math, you must know. So let's compare it. So 26 plus 29. Okay, we are doing some. So Control C. So this is equal to our equation number 2. Okay, now what we will do, we will solve this equation. You should stop this video and solve it by yourself, so that you will build your calculation strong. Okay, so what I want to do here, 9 multiply 1, so it become at this side. Okay, plus 9, because we multiplied with 9, that 9 multiplied with by that 1, so it become 9 and came to this side. Okay, so summation of 9. Now what we will do, this dividend function we will move to the right hand side, and it will become multiplication. So 26 plus 29 is our, what do we say, 4, 30. So 30 and plus 29 is 45. Okay, so it will something around 45 plus summation of 9 is equal to our, also we have to take in the bracket because we are multiplying now. By 9 we are multiplying. Okay, and it is here summation of 9. So summation of 9 plus 9 and multiply by 11. Okay, so 45 into 9. So what we can do, an easy route approach will be 5 9 45 and 5 36. It will become something around something like 405. Okay, and 405 this summation of 9. Okay, so it will 9 this summation of 9. Okay, and again 11 into summation of 9 plus 11 multiplied by 9 is 99. Okay, so this 99 goes to this side, it becomes 405 minus 99, and this 11 summation of 9 minus 9 summation of 9. Okay, so it becomes like 396, I think. This 5 4. Okay, 396, and this becomes 2 summation of 9. 2 summation of 9. If this 2 goes to this side, it will become something, it will become 198 summation of 9. So summation of 9 value is 198 we got. Now this summation of 9 value, if we put in any of the equation, okay, we will get what we have told us, find the initial average of the team. That means we will get x value, correct? So we will add in the equation 1. So here itself, not this, if we do copy, and now if we add the value, it is 198, and value of x is like 26 plus 29, as earlier we have calculated, is 45. This 45 plus 198, 45 plus 198 will be 243, correct? So 53 by 11, okay, not 240. So 26 plus 29, we are missing something. So it is something like 26 plus 29 is our 55, and 55 plus 198 will be 55 plus 198 will be our, what we say, 253. Okay, so 253 divided by 11, 53 divided by 11 is our, 11 is a 2, and this 22 become this 33, so it will 23. Okay, so our answer is 23 years. Now student, tell me, it took around 5 minutes, like aptitude exam में इतना अपन नहीं कर सकते, बराबर? It should be like solve within 5 to 10 seconds. Correct? So let's see we can solve it without touching pen. Okay. So let's see. Let's see with our options. Let's try with this option. Assuming our answer is 23 years. Okay. See the screen. Assuming our answer is 23 years. What it is said that our captain age is 26 years. That means it is more than the average, 3 more than the average. Okay. So it is 3 more than the average, and wicket keeper age is 29. That means it is more. How much it is more than that? 6. So after removing captain and wicket keeper, correct, how much years we are losing from the total average? That is 3 plus 6, 9. On how many people we are losing? Remaining 9 people. So 9 by 9 is 1. So this is something matching with our answer. It is reduced by 1 because the average become is 1, 9 by 9. Okay. Correct. I will explain with this 24 years example. Assuming 24 years is our answer. Captain age is 26, more than the average, means 2 more than the average. Okay. And wicket keeper age is 29. That means 5 more than average. This 2 plus 5 is 7. Now how can I distribute this 7 years over the 9 people, remaining 9 people? No, we can't do that because it is said that it is reduced by 1. That means all the 9 people reduce one year of their total average age. Okay. So that is why it is 23 years. This answer. This is the right answer. So this is how we solve this type of problems. Hope you have understood, guys, and we will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.